Robocava with AutoNet, and today I want to talk really quickly about publishing a vector tile package to your ArcGIS Online account. So vector tile is kind of cool because you don't necessarily have to create a vector tiles using basemap data. You can actually use pretty much any kind of vector data to create your vector tiles. So what you would do to author the vector tiles themselves, you actually would use ArcGIS Pro to create a data set that would be very fitting to use for vector tiles, something like a lot of points, a lot of lines, some polygon data, something like that. Something that you would want to use in your applications that maybe is going to serve as more of a backdrop of data because you can't identify or query against vector tile data. So you also want to make sure that it's just something that's going to pop a bit more and add some substance to your map, but isn't going to be used for any sort of querying of the data itself. So what you can do is you create a vector tile package in ArcGIS Pro, and I won't go through that in here, but there's tools in there that let you create the package. And once you've done that, you can either go ahead and publish the package from Pro itself, or you can go ahead and upload it into your ArcGIS Online account. So that's what I'm going to do here. So I'm just going to go into my account here. I'm going to go add item from my computer. Let's go browse. And I already have a vector tile package on my desktop. It's just got the file extension VTPK, right? And it's about 630 megabytes, so it's a pretty decent size vector tile package. I'll just leave the default name in there and I'll tag it vector. Alright, and then you want to make sure that this is checked off here to publish this file as a tile layer. So it's already going to know it's a vector tile package and recognize all that. It'll go ahead and create the vector tile service for you. So now I'm going to be uploading the item, and it's about 630 megabytes, so I'll take a little bit here on my machine. So as soon as that finishes, I'll come right back. Thank you. Okay there. So our vector tile package has gone ahead and finished loading into ArcGIS Online. So now we've got our vector tile service here available, ready for us. We've got a nice little thumbnail that was generated by ArcGIS Pro. Now so I can be able to use this pretty easily, I'm just going to go and share this to everyone here. Just going to add this to a new map. In ArcGIS Online here, it's going to open up the map viewer for us, and it's going to go ahead and add the vector tile layer for us automatically. And there we go. So now we can go ahead and we can zoom in. And what this data here is, I actually took the census blocks for the entire US. It had some population data in there. And in ArcGIS Pro, I ran the tessellation tool to create hex bins. And just went ahead and rendered them using a class break renderer. I had to kind of tweak it a little bit to get this to come out, and I eliminated the lowest break in my renderer just so I can get this little kind of see-through effect. It may not be 100% accurate to do so creating these maps, but I thought I'd give a nice little cool effect here. And again, you can't identify this data. There's no pop-ups or anything that comes with vector tiles. You can start messing with transparency a little bit though, so I'll make it about 25% or so there. So now I just get a little bit of a transparency going here on my hex bins. And that's it. So as you can see here, I just kind of want to demonstrate how you can use vector tiles for not only street data and for base map data, but also for some other kind of more general background data you might want to use for your map. Something that might just be the backdrop for the rest of your application. So in here, for an ArcGIS Pro, I can go ahead and change the backdrop, change the base map here, and show my vector tile data. I could bring in maybe some other services for the same type of data, but maybe rendered differently. That isn't going to try to show all this data at once. So that could be another thing I can do as well and make this a little bit more interesting. But there you go. That's working with vector tiles with non-basemap data. Thank you.